Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about cat. Cat is one of the cutest pets that are domesticated by more than 40% of the household in the world. The average lifespan of a cat is 10 to 15 years. They are very lazy but also become super active if needed. Cats are cute as well as intelligent. They have a very good memory and remember things for a long time. Cats have an adorable face with a tiny nose, a big mouth and a few whiskers under its nose. They can differentiate between a child and adults and behave accordingly. It lives on rice, milk, fish and meat, but is very fond of milk and fish. It is an enemy of rats. It can also kill snakes and birds. There should be a cat in every house to save our grains from the rats. Cats can see in the dark. We can find more than 55 breeds of cats in the world. Cats have a short tail that helps them keep their balance when walking. Petting your cat releases oxytocin and helps reduce stress. It likes warm places to sleep. It can climb a tree quickly. Its teeth and nails are very sharp. Cats have soft pads under their feet, so they can walk without making any sound. It plays with its kittens and teaches them how to catch rats. If cats get irritated, they can strike with their claws. They reduce the feelings of isolation and loneliness among people. Thank you for watching Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.